To all, Sairam. Hope you all are enjoying our online classes, studying at home. Children, you are listening your parents? Yes or no? Tell me. Yes, very good. Those who are not listening, they have to listen to your parents. Study at home, okay? Yes. So, I welcome you in our math class. So, children, today we are going to start with our chapter, that is chapter number 3. Our chapter number 3 is, we have chapter name playing with numbers. It means we have to play with numbers in this chapter. Are you enjoying this? Yes, the heading of the chapter name is very interesting, that playing with the numbers. Yes, when we will play with the numbers, then only mathematics numbers will be formed. Yes or no? Yes. So today we are going to start this chapter. Our first topic that we are going to discuss is, yes, definition of multiple. And first definition we are going to discuss is of factor, and our second definition is of multiple. Okay, yes. So definition of factor. Okay, the definition of factor is what? Factor means any of the number when multiplied together form a product. This is the definition of a factor. Factor means when we multiply any two number, that forms a, that two numbers together when multiplied, that form a product. Like what? Yes, you can say when two numbers multiplied means you can take any two numbers, and when you multiplied them you will have a product. So that will be known as a factor. So children, you can see here, see 3 into 2, we have one multiply sign, we have one number this, one number this 2. So we have two numbers, that is 3 and 2. So when we multiply these two numbers, we get a product, that is 6. Okay, so here in this 2 comma 3, these are factors of 6. These are what? These are factors of 6. It means when we multiply these two numbers, we are getting 6. So 2 and 3 are the factor of 6. Okay children, and what is 6 here? Yes, 6 is product. 6 is product. 6 is the product which we are getting when we multiplied any two numbers. So the definition of factor is, when we multiply any of the two numbers, when multiplied together form a product, that will be a factor. Okay, yes. So we can have the formula. Yes, we have formula, that is factor multiply factor is equals to product. It means you can take any two numbers and you have to multiply them, and what you will get? You will get a product. You will get a product. So if somebody asks you what is the definition of factor, you can say when any two numbers multiply together, they form a product. Or you can say factor multiply factor is equals to product. You can here take any two numbers, you can multiply them, you will get a final answer, that will be product. Like here they have given, what they have given, factor of 12. It means how 12 will be formed. Tell me, you can take any two numbers, you have to multiply any two numbers. We can take 1 into 12, we can take 4 into 3 is equals to 12. Yes or no? We can take 3 into 4 is equals to 12. You can take 2 into 6. It means when two numbers multiply, they form a product. That will be known as factor. Okay. So, children, we can have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. These are the factors of 12. This we have written in the comma form, but when you will represent it as a factor, you can show it in the multiple form also. Like 1 multiply 12, 3 multiply 4, 4 multiply 3, 6 multiply 2, 2 multiply 6. Okay, so this will be the factor. Now we have the definition of multiple. So understood the definition of factor? Yes. So you can say the easy formula is factor multiply factor is product. Okay, you can take any two numbers, when you will multiply them, you will get a product. Okay, that will be the factor. So now we will discuss the next topic, that is definition of multiple. Yes, we have multiple definition. Yes, it is given the product obtained when multiplying a number by a whole numbers. So before starting multiple definition, tell me what are whole numbers. We have learned in our previous chapter what are whole numbers. Yes, you should know the numbers starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. They are called whole numbers. The product obtained when multiplying a number by a whole number. It means the product which is formed when we multiply a number by a whole number. That means when we multiply any number, that number by the product we are forming. How? When we are multiplying a number by a whole number. It means when we are multiplying it by 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, any of the number and so on, that will be a whole number. Okay, so we can say, just repeat after me, the product obtained when multiplying a number by a whole number. As we can see here, factor and multiples. Mary wants to find those numbers which exactly divide 4. She divides 4 by a number less than 4. So we can take the numbers like whole numbers 0, we can take 1, we can take 2. So when she is dividing 4 by 1, she is having 1 4 ja 4 and the remainder is 0. Here when she is dividing by 2, she has the remainder 0 and quotient 2. Same way, she finds that the number 4 can be written as, how 4 can be written? 4 can be written as 1 into 4, 2 into 2 or 4 into 1. Okay. And knows that the number 1, 2, 4 are exact divisor of 4. These numbers are called factors of 4. Okay, these are factors of 4. A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Okay, children, a factor is a number is an exact divisor. If any number is a factor, it means that will be exactly divisible by that number. Okay, so what we have discussed the factor, multiple. In this we have discussed a factor of a number is exactly divisor of that number. It will be definitely divisible by, completely divisible by that number and having a remainder 0. We can discuss this, that let us see what we conclude about factors and multiples. First one is that 1 is the factor of every number. Yes, 1 is the factor. If I am telling that write the multiple of 4, first we will write 1 because 4 comes in the table of 1. We will definitely start from the smallest number, that is 1. Yes, now second is every number is a factor of itself. If I am talking about that, find the factor of 49. So 49 will come in the table of 1, 7, 49. It will be definitely coming in his table also. Every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Okay, every factor of a number is exact, it means it will be exactly divisible by that number. Now next one is factor is less than or equal to the given number. It may be equal or it may be less than. Number of factors of a given numbers are finite. It will be finite. It means it could not be 0. It will be not finite, means it will be a particular number, not infinite up to. It will have a definite value, finite value. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. If we are finding the multiple of any number, it will be either greater than or equal to that number. Number of multiples of a given number is infinite. The number of multiples given number will be infinite. We can now last one is every number is a multiple of itself. That we have already discussed, that every number will be the multiple of itself. If I am telling you find the multiple of 6, so 6 will also be included in the multiple of 6. So here we have some questions. So we have write all the factors of 68. It means 68 will be started from 1. Okay, 1 will be also the factor of 68, and second point was that number itself will be always the factor of a number. So first we have 1 multiply 68. Second we have 2 multiply 34. It means you have to take two numbers. When you will multiply these two numbers, you will get a product. Product means that is a factor, and when you will multiply this, you should get this factor number, that is 68. So 4 multiply 17 is the third one. Last one is 17 multiply 4 is also 68. So all the factor of 68 are 1. I have told you that 1 will be the factor of every number. So 1 to aapko, you have to close your eyes and you have to write it. So 1 and the number itself, it means the number which is given to you, that is 68. 1 or 68 will definitely come. 1, 2, 4, 17, 34 and 68. These are the factors of 68. Now second one is find all the factors of 36. So 36 comes in as 1 multiply 36 and 9 4 ja 36, 4 9 ja 36 and 2 18 ja 36, 12 3 ja 36, 6 6 ja 36. So every number you will take one time. Like the factors of 36 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. You can take the smallest number from here, that is 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 6, then after 6 is 9, then 12, then 18 and then 36. So the factors of 36 are 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36 and 1, 2 in starting. Now comes our next type of question, that is write first 5 multiple of 6. Whenever these types of questions come in exam, if I am telling you one easy trick, that is you just write the table of that number. If I am telling you that 5 multiples of 6 you write, so you write down the table of 6 up to which 6 5s are. Okay, you have to write that table up to 6 5s. So or you can say in the question form that write first 5 multiple of 6. So you will write 6 multiply 1, then 6 multiply 2, 6 multiply 3, 6 multiply 4, 6 multiply 5, then it will be over. Multiply these all numbers and write down the answer. So the factor will be 6, 12, 18, 24, last one is 30. If I will tell you write the first 4 multiples of 5, what you will write? Yes, 5 multiply 1, 5 multiply 2, 5 multiply 3, 5 multiply 4. This is the first 4 multiple of 5, and answers will be the factors of 5. For first 4 multiples of 5 will be 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, 20. Okay, so the easy way is that write the table of that number which is given as a question to you, and how many time it is asking, write down up the table up to that time. So or you can say, this is also very easy trick, you can see here as it is given, 6 multiply 1 is 6, 6 multiply 2 is 12 and so on. So now I hope you all have understood what you have to do. So children, this is the homework which you all have to do is write all the factors of the following. See, first one is 36, 24, 68, 32 and 12, 20, 36. Third one is 68, sorry. Okay, so you have to write down the factor of the following. See, like 36 is given, so factor of 36 comes in the table of 1. So in the factor form you can easily write that it comes in the table of 1. Then and you can write like this also. First you make the multiple, that 1 into 36, then 9 4 ja 36, then 2 18 ja 36, then 4 9 ja 36 and 6 6 ja 36. So that will be formed a factor. You now then take the numbers 1, then 2, then 4, then 6, then 9, then 18. Okay, and last one is 36 will definitely come because it is getting multiplied with number also comes at the last. So same way you all have to do this. If you are not getting, take the help from this, and by doing you will get how to solve these questions. If you will try, you will get. Okay, I hope you all will practice these questions, do this homework in your rough notebook and practice at home. You will utilize this time. So children, we will meet in our next class. So take care. Sai Ram.